This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Junior Rentals and Property Management. How to start out smart. First-time home purchasers, you want to place this one on your bucket list to see. Nice cozy floor plan with tile flooring in the gathering/family room, fireplace to break those chills on those cold winter days and nights. Enter the backyard from a side patio door with private fence covering the entire back and side yard. You will fall in love with this diamond in the rough the minute you step in the front door. All the bedrooms are just the right manageable size with carpet flooring. I could go on and on, but just get water ready and call or text. Don't dally. For more information, review the details below or contact Junior Rentals and Property Management at 254-547-9994.